everyone, my name's Duncan White. I'm the managing editor of the International Fire and Safety Journal. I'm here in Intersec Dubai and delighted to be joined by my old friend Andy Spence. Andy, hello my friend.
Hi Duncan, good to see you.
It's always a pleasure. We always have some great conversations with Andy, as regular viewers will know. Andy, for those people that have been living somewhere off of our planet, tell us a little bit more about you and a little bit more about Britannia Fire.
Okay, so Britannia Fire are a manufacturer of fire extinguishers and have been since 1970. Founded by Roger Carr, our other joint managing director, and we have now moved away from traditional steel manufacturing processes to completely into the composite range that we have with us today. So we are very much the go-to innovator in this space.
And one thing that Roger and Andy are extremely well known for is never sitting back, always looking to push new boundaries. And the composite cylinder and the whole range that Britannia have got with the P50 is really taking the industry by storm. Andy, the relationship with Congo Corrodex, tell us a little bit more on how important that is for you.
Yeah, so it's a relationship we've had now for over 30 years out in the Middle East. Everybody talks about trying to crack this marketplace, and everybody I speak to, and the one piece of advice I give them is get the right partner. So if you don't have the right partner, you'll never achieve it. We learned that the hard way in the beginning, but now with the Concord and the family that we have with them, it's been a fantastic relationship for 30 years, and long may it continue. It's quite nice to see that the old guys, the father and Roger, who started the business together, and then me and Mohammed now taking it forward even further, and stronger. So
it's that old adage: people deal with people, and building those relationships, and to hear the longevity, father and son coming through to keep that going forward. And what a lot of Western people don't realise is that it's a totally different culture over here. We've got to come, we've got to work, and we've got to learn about the culture, learn about the way in which business is done. And as Andy has proven, 30 years is a long time, and certainly getting that right from a Britannia perspective. So, Andy, we talked about the contracts and projects and the work that you've been doing for 30 years.
Yep.
So, any milestone contracts that you're able to share with us?
Yeah, we've had some really good success in the oil and gas market in particular. One, and I'm not sure if I can mention the name, so I better not. But one particular company has now done that transitional period from steel to composite with great success. They've seen the huge benefits. In fact, one of them was on the stand this morning and said that this was the best thing he's ever seen in the fire industry being invented in his 50 years. So that was quite nice to hear. But we've got more contracts coming on board. We've now just literally got Emirates Safety Lab approval for our products as well, and we're moving to civil defence approval too. So that opens up a whole world of opportunity in hotels, in hospitals, etc. over here that we've done in the UK, and we can now replicate in this space as well.
I know that conversations we've had over the last 12-18 months looking at those certifications, and it's testament to that hard work and dedication from Andy and his team in working alongside partners at Emirates and onward to Dubai Civil Defence is going to ensure that this product is quite rightly going to find its place in the Middle East market. A lot of companies don't like the innovation that Britannia are putting in because they can see that it's going to certainly squeeze what has in the past been quite a irresponsible marketing and sales technique, whereas what you see with the P50 is exactly what it says on the tin. And you know, those that have watched me speak with Andy before, what we hear out of this guy's mouth is the truth and is honest, and honest people have got nothing to fear from the truth. So give it a go. One of the things, Andy, that you've touched on, that the Middle East market is nothing new to you. You've been working here for 30 years. So if we look forward to the next 5 to 10 years, where do you see the market going for Britannia within the Middle East?
The growth plans we have out here are phenomenal. I mean, we're working with these guys at Concord as well. We've got boots on the ground. They really do push our products and showcase it as well. So They're well known for taking new products in and new innovations. If you look at this stand they have here today, it's all brand new innovations that they're bringing to market. So they are known for it. With the new civil defence approval, we've got a couple of new products coming on board as well. So one is the P50, the AVD, so aqueous vermiculite dispersion, which is for lithium battery fires, which is a huge problem for everybody at the moment. So we've got that being launched in the next 2 weeks here in the Middle East. We are launching next week in the UK, so that's good. And then behind that, following on from that, we have PV stock for the solar panels. So, you have solar panels on roofs which are still energized when there's a fire and they're compromised and you can't put them out because whenever the sun's there, it's energizing the panel. So we've worked with PV stock, who are a well-respected company based out in Australia, and we're putting their PV stock into the P50, which will allow us to spray over the panels to form a blanket to cut out that sunlight, which can be removed very easily. And it's environmentally friendly as well. You just peel it off after the fires or the event's finished.
And regular viewers of my videos will know we regularly speak with Jim Foran, who is behind the PV stop, another great product that does exactly what it says on the tin, and that's what we should be looking for: making life easier, keeping the sustainability and the ecological bit in the forefront. Andy, we are, as you can probably hear in the background, Intersec today is hugely busy. AVD, again, with the background with Dupré Minerals and the way that company has been moving going forward. Some great partnerships that Britannia are building on and creating. So I think that we can say quite clearly that in 12 months' time we'll be chatting again, Andy, and we'll hear more and more about Britannia's success. I'm Duncan White. I'm the managing editor of the International Fire Safety Journal, and it's a pleasure to be speaking to Andy Spence, joint managing director of Britannia Fire. Andy, thank you very much.
Thanks, Duncan.